Morning. Today is Thursday, Holy Thursday, and we are here at Manaoag. We'll do some hill repeats today. So yeah, let's go. So just warming up with some hills before the actual hill on the other side. This is one of the routes I used to ride with during the pandemic with my MTB. On the right side are some trail, and the left side there are also some trails. I discovered some trail routes here that are privately owned, but now I think they are all closed. But I'll try if I can again ride mountain bike and try to see if the private spots are still open for mountain biking. Oh, there's a 4% climb. Easy, good for warm up. Yep, it's Manaoag, and we have some hilly spots, perfect for some hill repeats. And scenery, because a few vehicles run down this road. Yep, the right side is where another trailhead. There's a nice trail going to the other side, very technical and steep. Also on the left side, another trail leading to the town of San Jacinto. I don't know if it's still open. Yep. Few sections here. Now the road here is bumpy, so the road is not perfect for hill repeats because there are a lot of potholes and ruts. So better go and ride the other route. On the other side there's still some hilly spots here, so okay, I'll update for the other route. Okay, see ya.